Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today we're going to bring you a quick tip and trick for the Galaxy Note 20, but this really will work for any Samsung Galaxy smartphone, and that is how to turn your phone into baby-proof mode, or baby mode as I call it. Now what this does is it allows your child to maybe watch something or listen to a music or watch Sesame Street, so that you can maybe get something done while still watching them, but it's just a nice little thing so they also don't destroy your phone or send an email or do whatever. It's a really great feature to have. So let me walk you through these steps and how to use it and when is a good time. So first you go to accessibility, then you go to interaction and dexterity, then you go to interaction control. Once this is turned on, how you turn this on is volume up and power button. So we're going to go to our favorite YouTube channel and we're going to play a video. Turn that volume down. And once we have the video up and running, you're just going to hold power and volume up. And then you're going to block out the whole screen. You can also set a timer on this. If maybe you just want to set it for 5 minutes so they can watch a little, thing, that's fine. I don't believe in doing it for that long. I really haven't done it more than 5-10 minutes, maybe at most. But once you're done, you now can see that you can't do anything to the screen. None of these things work. So basically they can watch it. And I've done this with my son when watching something like Sesame Street or watching a calming kids music video that he really likes. So really simple and easy to have that set up, and trust me, it is just really a great feature to have when you need it. Then when you're done, the only way to get out of it again is if you don't have a time limit on it, you hit the power and volume up, and that will get you back in that mode. So very simple, quick and easy, and it does go right to your password. And then you can obviously go back to the video or do whatever you want after that. After you've unlocked it, you can kind of do whatever you need to. But it's a great way to go, and definitely, again, if you want to play a video for them, they'll highly love it. Let me know what you guys think of this feature in the comment section down below. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.